In this short video, we're going to show you how to update your profile in the CCIS system for Harbor Town. Once you log in, you will generally be brought to this page. It's the resources page if we look at our tabs up here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and go to my profile page. And once I'm in my profile page, I'm going to go ahead and click Update My Profile. And now all of the fields are available to me to make changes. I'm going to go back to the top. Should I decide to change my name, or I want to know what this means, these little question marks, when you hover over them, pop up the meaning. I'm going to say that twice. If you click on them, it doesn't work. You have to hover over them. Just point your mouse at it, and it will explain what that particular field is. I'm going to highlight a few of the fields that might be odd. First of all is the legal owner. Many people in Harbor Town have created a trust to manage their estate. If that's the case, if your condo is owned or titled in the name of a trust, you would want to change that here. Just like any other editing software, you select it and replace it. If you have pets, we'd like to know about that also. If you have a mortgage, it's important for the association to know that and enter the information about the mortgage holder, because the bank has a vested interest in some of the decisions the association makes. So by law, we're required to keep that information on record. My hope for you is that someday you will no longer have a mortgage and you'll be able to come in and switch that to a no and take that data out. The mailing address that we use in CCIS, and I believe it shows that, is if you have an address other than Harbor Town and you want your mail sent there. For example, we lived in Wisconsin while we owned our condo for a while, and we wanted mail sent to that Wisconsin address. If this box is blank, then all the mail will go to my condo unit address. If I want to update my phone number, simple enough, email address. Oh, if I want to update my phone number, and then I could say, so I'm Nancy here, this might be now my mobile line. So the description pertains to that phone number, and it will show up so people who have access to see your record will know that what that particular phone number is. If I wanted to add my husband's phone number, then I could put husband mobile. And on it goes. So you can put in my home email to go with my email address, a few others here. And again, you can always look at the question mark to find out what it means. If something happens to you as a person, who do you want us to contact? That's what this personal one is. If something happens to your unit, and let's say you're traveling over in Europe, who do you want us to contact? If there is an additional owner, in this case, we might assume that the husband is the additional owner. We don't keep two records. There's only one record per unit. So in this case, I would put last name hubby. That's the other owner in this case. If you prefer phone, please let us know. Otherwise, we'll be sending you email. And then if you want to volunteer to be part of management, which primarily means the board, we have an information management team. We have building committees, ground committees, community committees, and anything else you want us to know about. So once you've made those updates, click the Update User button, and you look up here at the top, and it should tell you user was successfully updated, and you're good. Good luck. Thanks.